Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Instagram to your Shopify account. So the first thing that you need to make sure is that your Instagram account is switched to a business account. Once you've done that, all you need to do is head on over here to Shopify or to your store, and then go here to add apps here in the left part of the screen here. Click on add apps. And then we click on this bottom part here, which is get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. We click on that. It will take us to another tab. And we wait for that to load a bit. And once that's done loading, you can just search up here for Instagram. Or this one, Facebook and Instagram. Which is basically just Meta. Click on that. And we just click on install here. And as you can see, there are a lot of benefits. You can get shop insights, including the best performing products and top tag content. Help drive better ad performance by setting up a conversion pixel. Easily set up your shop with a one-time account connection. Sell from one inventory that automatically syncs to your shop. And get mail and live chat support from Meta. And yeah, that is basically it. Once you click install, the app will pop up here and basically will just give you the option to connect your Instagram to your shop. That's it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.